Ever heard of using wolves to solve a farming problem? Hold on to your hats. Japan's facing a serious issue. Deer, monkeys, and wild boar are causing billions of yen in crop damage every year. But the Japan Wolf Association has a wild idea: reintroduce wolves. They believe these apex predators could naturally control the population of these pests, restoring balance to the ecosystem. They're planning small trials in remote areas, focusing on minimizing risk to humans. While some are skeptical, the association argues it's a necessary step to protect farms and the environment. It's a controversial plan, but it could be a unique solution to a growing problem. What's your take on this bold proposal? Subscribe for more surprising news stories.